Ed, I want to turn now to North Dakota's Senate race, where Democratic incumbent Heidi Heitkamp is apologizing for a campaign ad that named victims of sexual assault without their permission and included others who were never assaulted at all. You spoke to one of the women included in this ad. What did she tell you?
That's right. Today we talked to Shaylah Forde, who's a mother of two and a lifelong resident of North Dakota. She's one of at least 22 women who say they didn't give Senator Heitkamp consent to use their names in a newspaper ad that ran in North Dakota newspapers over the weekend. In fact, Forde says she's never even been the victim of domestic violence, sexual assault, or rape, as the ad suggested. So how'd she get mixed up in all of this? Well, she told us earlier today from her home in North Dakota.
What I think happened is October 9th, I was tagged in a Facebook post, and I read it, and I thought, you know, that was it. Well, somebody took our names from the tag in the Facebook post, and I believe that's how I got mixed up in all this.
So it was all just being tagged in a Facebook post. She and the other women involved say they're still looking for a lawyer to help them explore potential legal action against Heitkamp and her campaign. And while Forde isn't necessarily seeking monetary damages, she says something like this simply cannot happen again.
We just wanted the world to know how violated we feel, and we definitely do not want this to ever happen again to anybody else. I want them to be more cautious with their campaign ads. I feel like it's getting ridiculous, it's chaotic, and a slip-up like this happened at all. I feel like somebody didn't do their job right, and I want this to serve as a warning. Don't mess up. Do your job. Ask for consent. That's what the whole article was about, consent.
Well, so then what is Senator Heitkamp doing to make amends?
Sure. Well, deeply apologetic and has been phoning some of these women, although Forde said she hasn't heard from the senator directly. One other woman has. CBS News obtained the recording of that voicemail that the senator left yesterday. Let's take a listen to it.
Hi, this is Heidi Heitkamp. I don't know if you want to talk to me or not, but I wanted to extend a personal apology and just want to spend just a few minutes just talking to you. I'm so mortified and horrified, and I can completely appreciate if you don't want to hear from me.
So Ed, a difficult situation she finds herself in now.
Totally. And remember, polling in recent weeks, at least, has shown Heitkamp trailing the Republican in this race, Kevin Cramer. That ad that ran in newspapers was targeted at him and his support for now Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh. The whole idea being that survivors of sexual abuse, domestic violence, and rape believe that they should be heard and believed when they make accusations like this. I asked Forde, what does she make of that issue generally? And she says, look, I don't pay attention to politics that closely. I don't even want to go there, because to me, the issue here is that my name got caught up in something like this, and it shouldn't be.
All right, Ed O'Keefe in Washington for us. Ed, thank you.